Hi everyone, my name is Sharun Tomi Kerala, India. I am presenting GitLens AI, a fully automated technical debt intelligence platform built natively on the GitLab Duo Agent Platform. Technical debt is one of the biggest hidden problems in software development. Every team has it. Nobody tracks it automatically. GitLens AI changes that completely. Let me show you how. Every software team has this problem. Code with duplicate logic, missing error handling, unclear variable names, no tests, and inefficient loops. This is technical debt. It slows teams down every single day, and nobody tracks it automatically until now. Watch GitLens AI work. It connects to GitLab, fetches the real merge request code, sends it to the AI for analysis, and look at these 11 steps happening automatically. Debt score calculated, green agent energy analysis running, auto fix suggestions generated, comment posted to GitLab, issues created, trend recorded, README badges updated. All of this in seconds, zero manual work. Here is what GitLens AI automatically posted on our merge request. Debt score 42 out of 100, moderate. 5 issues found, each with severity level and exact fix suggestion. And look at this autofix section. It shows the exact problematic code before and the corrected code after. Ready to copy and apply immediately. No other tool on the GitLab platform does this. GitLens AI also includes a dedicated green agent for sustainability. It detected a polling loop pattern with high energy impact and an inefficient loop with low energy impact. Every scan produces a separate energy score, helping teams write more sustainable, environmentally friendly software. Look at all the items GitLens AI created automatically in GitLab. Weekly debt reports, debt heat maps, trend tracking records, developer profiles, and individual technical debt issues, all created without any human intervention. This is full automated code quality management. Here is the automated weekly report. It shows merge requests scanned, total debt issues found, fix rate, trend direction, and 3 recommended actions for next week. This runs automatically every Monday, giving engineering managers complete visibility into code quality with zero manual work. GitLens AI is a true GitLab Duo agent. Here is the custom agent configuration file deployed on the GitLab Duo Agent Platform. Alongside this, there is a multi-agent flow that orchestrates 2 specialized agents, a debt scanner and an issue creator, working together automatically. GitLens AI triggers automatically via GitLab CI/CD on every merge request. No developer action needed. The pipeline runs the complete 11-step scan, posts the report, creates issues, and updates README badges completely automatically on every single merge request. GitLens AI, automatic debt detection, auto fix code suggestions, green agent sustainability scoring, trend tracking, weekly reports, debt heat maps, developer profiles, built on GitLab Duo Agent Platform, because every developer deserves instant clean code feedback on every merge request. Thank you.